pancake like this, and his name was banana pancake. Hi, my name is Yidi. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a banana pancake. If your hands did anything else before, first you're going to just wash your hands. Done washing your hands. You need to open all of your bananas and put it in a big bowl like this. See how I put it in. You can use any of the spoons, these, or those things, but you need to use chopsticks. You can't use chopsticks. So I'm going to choose this. You don't need to worry if you got a bad egg. Sometimes I do that. And then the second step, you're gonna use a spoon or something to this or what? You could choose of that. First step, you're gonna do when it's done, you're pull it in, or when it's not done, pull it in and then do that. Okay. My choice was this. And don't do it too hard, or you could pull it out like this. This is a tiny bowl. Do you actually know how to split the eggs? You can't do like this. This won't work. Do like this. If there are some bananas that you didn't smush, you could smush it also. This is the last time I'm not just good, but see. I need to tell you something. Now I'm better. We don't need that anymore. And then this a little bit. If it's too hot, and then it'll just spit it like this. And then you need to do it like that, and then high. And then you need it to have that already. Don't put it right here. And you control your hand. Don't spit like spit all of them. Sometimes I would do that. Okay. When you do this, it's hot and then it's ready. It's a little bit hot now. stick it together. You could do it. Like 4. Okay, when you use the all gone, it means that it's done. Good flipper. Easiest way. You just need those things to do. You could think something by yourself. But I would choose those. Tastes like I have an idea. I think it will stick here.
Okay.
But my idea was really good because see, those things are really sticky, right? See, sticky. And then I put it over here, then it will stick on the plate. Just.
Thank you.
No one's done that before.
Okay.
I just need more of them. Okay.
All right.
They're just playing good guy and bad guy Hot Wheels.
Okay. All right. Now you take it.